Because I didn't know it was there.
You killed a red bird.
There was a red bird, y'all.
No, you get home and get a
Robin bird.
Nah, Rudder's gone.
Someone gotta get that out. Adrian. Ain't no way you get that.
He's gone. It's over. R.I.P.
Oh my god.
This is all my mom's fault.
Huh?
This is your fault,
Daddy said
Mom.
hit it out with a broom when
Oh
I get
yeah.
home.
Oh yeah, his head. I don't see his head.
Okay.
This is your fault,
And
Mom.
What happened?
that bird poop on.
Blame Mom for this.
Might as well get it out now.
Ain't no sticks or nothing around. You go grab one.
I ain't touching that.
I think that thing got bird
Jada,
poop
go
on
grab
it.
a stick.
That thing is dead. That thing got bird poop.
It's dead. It's dead.
Take a picture by it. Whoa, why your seriously taking photos? Oh my god. Take a picture by it and do a peace sign.